Hey everyone, welcome you all. In this video, we are going to discuss what is meant by multivibrator. So, a multivibrator is a two-state electronic device used to implement oscillators, timers, and flip-flops. So, basically, a multivibrator is a two stable state device. So, which can have either one stable state or it can't be have any of the stable state. So, its output will be changing from one state to another state continuously. So if it is having a one stable state, then it is called as a stable multivibrator. While it is having stable states, then it is called as bistable multivibrator. So the basic construction includes two transistors acting as amplifying devices which are cross coupled by resistors and capacitors. So here we will be using two types of components, that is active components as well as the passive components. So the transistors are the active components which we will be using. So these are cross coupled to each other with the help of passive components, that are resistors and capacitors. So basically the multivibrators work on the Bar-Khussain criteria, that is the loop gain of the control system should be slightly greater than the unity so that the oscillations will be created. So if the loop gain is less than unity, then the decaying of the circuit happens and no oscillations will be created. But if the loop gain is greater than, very much greater than unity, then at that time the circuit will get overdriven and the output is not suitable for use. So it should be only slightly less than unity in order to get the sustained oscillations. Okay, so that is first criteria, and the second criteria is the output of the both the transistors. So we will be using two transistor in case of any of the multivibrators, either it is a stable, monostable, or bistable. So output of each transistor should be 180-degree out of phase with respect to it. So which indicates only one of it will be active at a time or on at a time. So that we will be see in our further discussion. So at this instant, you just understand that multivibrator is a important component which has got either one or two stable states, and it is mainly used in oscillators, flip-flops, and other electronic circuits. Okay, so now coming to the classification of multivibrators. So it has got three types in it. So the first one is a stable multivibrator, that is this one, and then second comes monostable multivibrator, and the third one is bistable multivibrator. So let us see what is mean by these individual multivibrators. So first, a stable. So this circuit is not suitable in any state, so stable in any state. So this circuit has got no stable state. Okay, so its output will be always changing, so it will be something like this. So it is always changing output, so it is called as a stable multivibrator. And the second one is monostable multivibrator. In this, one state is stable whereas other will be unstable. So it has got one as the stable state and other as the unstable or transient. So here the basic meaning of the transient is changing. So here we will be having one state as stable. So we require a pulse to maintain at a stable state, and we don't require any other external pulse to maintain the monostable multivibrator at a unstable state. So this has got two stable states. Okay, so here the triggering pulse does the work of changing the state. So how does the change of this multivibrator changes? So it is done with the help of triggering pulse. So it will change the output of the multivibrator, so either high to low or low to high. So high is the one stable state and low is the other stable state. So depending on the pulse or trigger which we will be applying, the output is going to change. Okay, so the last one is bistable multivibrator. So the bistable indicates two, so it has got two stable states. Okay, so this has got no stable state and it has got one. So it has got zero stable state, it has got one stable state, and this has got two stable states. So this sequence you should remember. Then the bistable, in this the circuit is stable in both the states, that is its state can be changed by triggering the pulse. So here the circuit is stable in both the state means it is stable in high state as well as low state. So it can remain in the high state as well as the low state. So this is the brief classification of multivibrators depending on the states which will be present. So I hope you like this video. Please guys hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more updates.